Hello, friends. Welcome to the channel Magical Stories by Elena. Today, we're going on a colourful, light, and airy journey into the world of the most beautiful and mysterious creatures of nature, butterflies. Get cozy because you're about to discover many interesting, surprising, and even magical things. What is a butterfly? A butterfly is an insect with two pairs of large, beautiful, and brightly coloured wings. They fly like tiny colourful petals floating through the air. Butterflies belong to the order Lepidoptera, which means scale-winged, because their wings are covered in tiny scales that shimmer in the sunlight. A butterfly has 6 legs, 2 long antennae, and a proboscis, a special tube-shaped tongue that it uses to drink nectar from flowers. Butterflies come in all sizes, from tiny ones as small as a fingernail to large ones with wings wider than an adult's hand. Tell me, have you ever seen a butterfly up close? What did its wings look like? Maybe blue, orange, green, or even rainbow-coloured. From caterpillar to butterfly, a magical transformation. Did you know that a butterfly is not born as a butterfly? It goes through an amazing transformation called metamorphosis. It all starts with an egg. A tiny butterfly mother lays tiny eggs on plant leaves. From the egg hatches a caterpillar, long, crawling, and with many little legs. The caterpillar eats and eats all day long because it needs to grow. Then, something magical happens. It hides in a cocoon or chrysalis. Inside this cocoon, something like a fairy tale takes place. The caterpillar turns into a butterfly. One day, the chrysalis opens, and out comes a beautiful butterfly with wings. Sounds like a fairy tale, doesn't it? In some countries, children even observe this transformation right at home or at school. Where do butterflies live and how do they live? Butterflies live almost everywhere flowers grow. In forests, meadows, gardens, parks, near rivers, and even in cities. They need warm weather and lots of plants. During the day, butterflies fly around, search for flowers, drink nectar, and enjoy the sunshine. At night, they rest, hiding under leaves or in the grass. Each butterfly has a favorite flower, and it can sense its scent from a long distance. Some butterflies live only a few days, while others live for several months. And some can travel thousands of kilometers to warm countries, just like birds. Why do butterflies have such bright wings? Have you noticed how colourful butterflies' wings are? That's not just for beauty. The bright patterns help butterflies protect themselves from enemies. Some butterflies pretend to be scary. Their wings have patterns that look like owl or snake eyes. Others pretend to be poisonous, even though they're not. Some can blend in with leaves and become almost invisible. Their wings are a form of protection and also a way to communicate. A butterfly can say, "This is my territory," or "I'm looking for a friend," all with its wings. What do butterflies eat? The main food for a butterfly is nectar, the sweet juice of flowers. To get it, a butterfly unrolls its proboscis and sips it like a straw. But butterflies don't only drink nectar. Some enjoy overripe fruit juice, moist sandy spots where they can find salt and minerals. And butterfly boys often gather on wet ground near puddles. They need special nutrients to stay healthy. When the butterfly is still a caterpillar, it eats leaves and eats them very quickly. Some caterpillars are so hungry they can eat an entire plant in just a few days. How do butterflies sense the world? Want to know a secret? Butterflies don't have ears, but they can still sense sounds. Some butterflies detect vibrations using special sensitive parts on their bodies. And their eyes, they are truly amazing. Butterfly eyes are made up of many tiny lenses, like a mosaic. Thanks to this, a butterfly can see in multiple directions at once. It can detect motion, light, colors, and even ultraviolet light, which we humans can't see. And butterflies smell using their antennae. These antennae help them find flowers, friends, and even a safe place to lay eggs. Butterfly species from around the world. There are over 20,000 species of daytime butterflies and over 100,000 nighttime moths on Earth. Wow, they are all so different and incredibly beautiful. For example, in Africa lives the birdwing butterfly. It's huge and shimmers with all the colours of the rainbow. In South America, there's the blue morpho, with wings so blue they look like pieces of the sky. In Russia, you can spot the cabbage white, a white butterfly often seen in gardens and vegetable patches. Some butterflies have transparent wings, like glass, and some even fly at night like moths. Why are butterflies important to nature? Butterflies aren't just pretty, they're very helpful too. They help plants reproduce. How? When a butterfly lands on a flower, its legs and body touch the pollen. Then it flies to another flower and brings the pollen with it. This is called pollination. Without butterflies, and bees too, many plants couldn't produce fruits and seeds. That means no fruits, berries, or vegetables. Butterflies are true helpers of nature. How do butterflies protect themselves from enemies? Butterflies have many enemies: birds, lizards, beetles, and even humans. To survive, they use clever tricks. Some mimic dangerous or yucky creatures. Others pretend to be dead. Some butterflies suddenly spread their wings with scary eyes to frighten predators. Others release a bad smell when disturbed. Even delicate creatures like butterflies know how to protect themselves. How can we help butterflies? We can help butterflies too. Here are some simple ways. Plant flowers that butterflies love: lavender, marigolds, asters, cornflowers. Don't pick all the flowers. Let butterflies have food. Avoid using harmful chemicals in gardens. Make butterfly water stations, a saucer with water and stones where butterflies can drink. You can even build a butterfly house, a small wooden box with holes where butterflies can hide from the rain. Amazing butterflies, records and facts. The largest butterfly in the world is the Atlas moth. Its wings can be up to 30 centimeters wide. The smallest is the pygmy blue butterfly. Its wings are just 1 centimeter wide. Some butterflies can fly as high as 3 kilometers. The monarch butterfly is a traveler. It flies thousands of kilometers every year. There are even butterflies that glow in the dark, especially in jungles. And some butterflies' wings change color depending on the angle of the light. Butterflies in fairy tales and culture. In many countries, butterflies are symbols of beauty, lightness, and even the soul. In Japan, they are symbols of joy. In China, of love. In fairy tales, butterflies are often magical helpers of fairies or turn into beautiful princesses. And in your imagination, a butterfly can be anyone: a flower guardian, a rainbow traveler, or a kind friend who knows all the forest's secrets. Conclusion: butterflies are amazing, gentle, magical creatures. They teach us to enjoy each day, be light and free, and appreciate the beauty of nature. I hope now you know much more about butterflies, and next time you see one, you'll smile and think, "What a wonder!" Thank you for joining us on Magical Stories by Elena. subscribe so you don't miss new adventures, and see you again under the wings of magic.